Okay, so let me check, is this coming or not. If you have a copy pen, please ready with your copy pen, because certain things that very important I'm going to tell you in the process gathering information. So please follow my instructions too. Okay. Ready with copy pen, Monica?
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. So, see, whenever we are going to work on the report, so we must try to understand the data. See, so data prospect, whatever data you have, okay, so we first go to understand the requirement gathering logic and then move for the end-to-end report, okay. To this, today we are going to explain everything and very detailed. Okay, I save in your folder. See, this has the information regarding the ticketing in the Power BI. Okay. So see, this data has the we can say sequence number, request type, what kind of report we need to prepare. Okay, it's a portal data. What kind of data sets, NA, page report, Power Builder, SFBI, site for. These are category we have, and according to the category we have a status, that what is the status is going on my data. Next we have the numbers, then we have the person who's working on, who is requested, who is requested about this date of requested arrival date, who is created date, then we have the completion date, request status, because few data we have some certain status that we need to work on. Then we have a key request point, we have then documents, what document looking for, who is a developer for it, and what is the ticket number that against we created that, estimation, actual, what is the actual hours you use. Then we have the some detailed category, market, which market working on, forecasting, what is the forecast of the date, because you working in this report, so let me know the forecast of yours so that we can move further. Request change, is this a change request or a new request? It's the same thing, yeah, schedule and unschedule, frequency, distribution, then we have the schedule it. So this kind of data we have. Let's talk about the particular report. So this is the Pentaho report. I wanted to track it, what is the going on in my report. Serial number, SharePoint report, okay, request number, assigned to who is the user, who, everything we have already detailed, each detail by company as well, that we're going to track. Okay, so to this we need to go each line to understand what the data is. Once you understood your data is good, load in the Power BI. Sorry, I already loaded that. So see, all data I loaded successfully. Now we'll move for the requirement part. So requirement going to tell by the client. Okay, so client told you that please create the how many projects we have. So requirement gathering, okay. So first customer asks show the number of project. It's a KPI. Okay, in KPI show number of project. Okay, this is number of projects. Then next we have total SRs, how many SRs we have. So we have total SRs. Next Next we have total status, request status. Then we have forecast data missing. I mean, how many report that we do not have forecast till date, we haven't entered, so maybe some possibilities. And next we have SR gravity. We need we can say heat map where we have heat map not going to tell by the client, but here tell me that need the number of we can say category, and we can say criteria, and we can say here it means that what is the criticality level, what are the criticality levels in heat map. Okay, then two type we required. First, SR by gravity and reason. SR by gravity and reason, there are two criteria, three criteria we have. So same way you can write down everything. Okay, and then you can, so next we have SRs by category. You obviously request new and configure that. Next we have SR by status. SRs means request number, SRs by status. This way you can gather information. And next we have SRs forecast means whatever forecast we have given, we have extended or not. So we have to let you know, because if you given the forecast, you must complete within timeline, and before forecast you must complete that. Okay, so that is the call requirement gathering part. So this way you can we can talk to the client, discuss with them, gather information, write down, and just create the email and send to the client, so that if anything happen in the report, okay, so he and she will let you know that this you understood wrong, and please correct this one too. So this way we can move forward. Always remember, gather the information and then we can send it to them. So next part is that, so the requirement gathered. So since we have already did everything, so just explaining you. So project we have, so see this, we have total line column, we have project column we have here. So project and distinct value, we remove it, only distinct value pass here, that's it. So see we have 53 project here till date. So then to how many SRs we have, so SRs prospect, see the project, they are unique, and total SRs 513. Then we have how many closed in 513, 318 we have closed it. Simply pass the column, that's it. ODB data VC status. And then we have forecast, how many date missing, 172 report that we do not have a forecast. So it means we reach out to the people who is working on it, and please complete the forecast ACP so that we can present to the client. Few companies working in the ticketing basis, so if ticket is not closed, they won't get revenue. So that reason they are looking for. Next we have heat map. Heat map nothing, say this, only pass the we can say category and values here, that's it. How many SRs we have, count of SRs, count of unique SRs means distinct, and gravity, that's it. It will give it like this level. Then we have the reason, so we have go to the here, see this one we have reason column, reason, and next we have SRs, count of SRs. Again same here too, request type or configuration, like suppose we have to configure everything, data changes, maybe some modification received, then we can do this way. Next we have SRs by status. So status 1 or more information needed because it's outstanding, still waiting for information. Postpone, customer said do not prepare, I'll wait for into response, I'll get back to you. This is the new analysis, it's a review and progress. And approve, we are request and approve. Reopen, since customers told us that please reopen this ticket because we need to we can say open the ticket, and generally we could not do that. We request to customer please create new. Then how many we implemented, then develop in production, how many report has been sent to production, how many has been closed, how many has been rejected. Obviously it's everything is possible. Then we have the SR, so we create the two major here, actual and forecast. Sorry. So here I have the month name, see this month name, and there will be forecast column. We create the measure here. So count up number of requests we're looking for. So that's pass it. That's it. So pass the March, April, May, June, July, August. So this way we can forecast it. And next part is that we wanted to create we can say row level security. So how do you deal with it? So home and get we can say modeling. We have manage role. Okay. So create role. So I want you to create role users based. Okay. And what is the role that you're looking for? I'm looking for the filter here. Pentaho. See, add here. Okay. So add here actual date. I'm looking for here status. So status, that's it. Status prospect any. So maybe all. So where status is completed, that report can be displayed to the clients. I create the row level security. So see this, just close and apply. Oh, we changed the option. So closed by good is not blank. Okay, closed by is not blank, then you can use this. Obviously the record has been closed, that I'm looking for. Then close this user. Okay, and say this I already applicable and I wanted to see view the role. So select the user. Okay, and apply that in desktop. See, only closed will be display automatically. This is the closed data that we have. Okay, if you wanted to pass, let's publish in the services to show you. So actually any doubt here, Monica, that I explained to you? Any doubt?
Okay, sir. No doubt.
Okay, perfect. Next, publish it. Let's publish in the services. So training services. See, always in business prospect. Okay, it's a real live report. Okay, so here we can say using the lighter color. Say this. Open the report to view. Ask later. See, we reach the report directly. Why this one coming default? See, now I want you to check that my workspace is published that. Very bad. No, publish the training, correct? NCT dashboard. Okay. So now, if you wanted to apply row level security, then you can come here and go to the security and see user is there. Whatever username I have, you can pass it. Okay. I'm a user, so add myself. Okay. Save. Then, if you want to test the role, then click here, test as a role. So this. I apply only one thing, so we are not all, but yeah, it will go into effect at least. Then go back to the row level security. So this way you can apply row level security too. Okay.
Okay, sir.
That is the data I already saved in your folder. And since I was recording, so you can see this screen, and you can try to, even if you want, I can save the image for you as well. Let me save the image for you. So Monica, I think I have done it mine training. Okay. Anything wanted to ask me, go ahead and do it. Of the we can say
Sir, how to go to workshop?
workspace.
Yes, sir. Because in my laptop I can't find.
Can't find. You just go to the app.powerbi.com. What are you talking about, Monica? Go to the app.com. Okay. App.powerbi.com. Log in with your email ID. You have.
But I am unable to log in here, sir. In Power BI Gmail.
No, Gmail is not going to work. I told you, no, Gmail is not going to work. I told you first.
Yes, sir. But
Gmail is not going to. I told you that Gmail is not going to work.
yes, sir. You told, but how can I practice?
So you, we can say practice prospect. You must buy the license for it.
How much, sir?
Do you need a
To
license?
license?
So yeah, license prospect. See, 60 days. The Power BI is not charging for anything to you. See, but the problem is that if I create the user to you, okay, so then I pay 700 plus GST per month. Okay, for me, it's chargeable for me also. If you want, I can show the invoice to you. So for 2 months, you must pay. You can say 700 plus 714 and 80% GST. So forget the GST, you can just give me the 700, 1400 rupees. I'll give the 2 months email ID and password. So you can use 60 days free if you're looking for.
Okay, sir. Because I want to learn perfect, sir.
So you day end you saying I told you beginning if you need license let me know. Previously inform me though I will give you the subscription to you at least. We can give the email ID so you can go ahead and create the credential everything to you. You can paste course previously so you can make practice and is that the reason you have this kind of questions. Monica, practice
Yeah,
on your end. Practice. I just give the idea. I give everything to you, but you must practice it. Practicing your part. Okay. I have given.
yeah.
See, I never. Okay, just wait. Let me close this one because this kind of fish should not go on the YouTube live. I'll share the link. I'll give you the